I'm up on. Hello, guys, my beautiful family. Welcome back again into this beautiful video. So, guys, how are you all doing today? I hope you all are doing great, amazing. So, guys, today I am here to share with you these important tips. What you need to do for strong protection. I mean, strong protection. If that is what you want to hear, keep on watching. And for those of you who are just joining my channel for the first time, my name is Ano Amaka. Here in this channel, we teach you how to use natural things to solve some of your spiritual problem by the special grace of God. If that is what you want to hear, then keep on watching. Please remember to like this video, subscribe, share, also leave your nice comment under the comment section. So, guys, today I am going to be telling you the spiritual aspects or the important aspects of this animal feather that you can never or you will never or you don't have to neglect. It is very, very important and highly spiritual, especially when it comes to protection. A lot of things happen these days, and it is advisable you know how to protect your life. I know that God protects, but at least some of this thing has been given to us, and God also instructed us to use it. And that is why I am making this video today to tell you how to use these animal feathers for protection against accidents, any type of accidents, and also for protection against negative forces entering your house and to prevent spiritual attack at night or anytime by the special grace of God. Now, if you want to learn, these are the items. Number one item that you need this feather. You need this feather. This animal feather is a very strong and spiritual animal. The name of the animal that owns this feather is guinea fowl. Guinea fowl in the spiritual realm is an animal designed by God. Is an animal that possesses the power of protection naturally. Whenever guinea fowl, any compound guinea fowl is, no evil comes in there to live. No evil attack will ever penetrate in any home that guinea fowl is in it. Guinea fowl also protect other animals. Yes, that's to tell you how powerful the guinea fowl itself is, let alone its feathers. This is number one material, guinea fowl feather. And it's costly, the feather is costly in the market. It is sold about 4,000 to 5,000 naira in my area. Why this one? It is called pigeon feather. Pigeon also has the ability, spiritual power for protection. So you are going to be needing guinea fowl and also the pigeon feather. You also need alligator pepper. The alligator pepper, you are not going to be using the bond, so you have to make use of the seed. You only need 7 pieces of alligator pepper and then one black thread. So how will you make use of this things? Get me that your 7 pieces of alligator pepper, right? Now, this is how to do it. Take this pigeon feather, join it together, and then that 7 pieces of alligator pepper, put it inside, and then gently do what? Gently fold this. When you fold it like this, fold it very tight so that the 7 pieces of alligator pepper will not fall off. Now begin to use that your thread to tie it. While you are tying this thing together, please be making your prayer concerning your protection. Ask God to do what? To come and bless it and whatever you are using it to do, especially the protection spell that you are making right now, will work for you because He has the power of protection. He has the power to command this thing and it will work amazingly the way you had never expected it. A lot of people, because of these evil people, they stop driving car. But the moment they buy a car and they start using it, before you know it, accident. So I don't want that to happen by special grace of God. So after tying it very, very well, make sure that the black rope cover all the whole of these feathers. And after that, keep it inside your motor. Keep it inside your motor. Whenever you are going out, take it alongside with you. And if you come back to your house, if you don't have a car yet, and maybe they're attacking you on a daily basis, they're attacking you, they're using strange power, they're using strange objects, they're using strange image to attack you, just hang it. Hang it at the back of your door. If you don't want to hang it, you can look for where to hang it. Let me tell you, while you are hanging this, just watch what is going to happen. No evil attack by special grace of God, no evil manipulation, no attack, no arrow will ever come inside that particular flat that you are living. All right. So if you are going somewhere that you don't really understand, go along with the one that you have already made. Put inside your pocket or inside your part or your bag or your purse and go with it. No, if they are planning evil, they will not succeed by the special grace of God. So that is the benefit of guinea fowl feather and also pigeon feather. Is very, very spiritual and very powerful spell that I just taught you right now. Okay, so I hope you grab one or two things in this video. All right, so thank you for watching, and if you need to order for this, okay, I have it and I can ship anywhere you are watching me from. If you need to reach me out, maybe to order one or two things from me, see, I have a lot of spiritual product and also herbal medicine that is good. I also have saffron in case you're looking for where to order saffron. I have saffron. So all you have to do is to chat me on this number 090 59825779 090 And I pray that any man or woman trying you, trying your health, trying your life, saying that you will not see the end of this year. By the special grace of God, that person will never see the end of all the evil things that they wishes you this year will backfire on them. All their evil thoughts against you, it will backfire upon them. They will not succeed or in all their evil agenda, evil mission against you or your family. And I said amen. So thank you guys for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.